Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about some of the key elements in HTML. So these elements will be useful for the text formatting. So these are some of the key elements in HTML. So I have selected the 5 tags which will be useful for text formatting. So first one is sub tag. It defines subscripted text. Another one is sup tag, so it defines superscripted text. Another tag is in ins, so it defines inserted text. Del tag, it defines deleted text. Mark tag defines marked or highlighted text. So let's cover these all the tags in our code. So this is our HTML file. So let's say we want to write the chemical formula of water. So chemical formula of water is H2O. In H2O, the 2 is subscripted. So let's say if I write chemical formula of water is H2O. Let's say I save this and run on browser. So this is chemical formula of water H2O. So I want to print to below to H in this para. So how can I perform that? So this can be done by using the subscripted tag. So the syntax for this tag is we need to write these two subscripted. So I will use the tag sub tag and I will close this tag. So see, this one we want as usual, like it is being printed like chemical formula of water is H. Then we have entered sub tag and printed 2 there and close the sub tag. So let's save this, refresh the browser. So see, the chemical formula of water is H2O. The 2 is getting printed now, subscripted. So another tag is the superscripted tag. So let's say we want to print the square of any number. So let's say square of 2 is 4. So let's save this. So square of 2 is 4, but I want to represent it in a mathematical way. So like 2 raised to 2 is 4. So how can I perform this? So I want 2 should be raised to this 2. So let's use super tag, superscripted tag. So this is sup. This tag is being getting closed here, and I will write here 2. Save, refresh. So see, now it is being superscripted to 2. Square of 2 is 4. So another tag what we have seen was check. So let's first cover the mark tag. So let's say I have some paragraph and I want to highlight some words in that paragraph. So let's say welcome to Code Crush. Save this. So see, this is being printed, but I want to highlight this Code Crush text. So how can I perform that? By using the mark tag. So I want to highlight this text. So this content should be in that particular tag. So let's say mark tag. So it is being closed here. I will copy this text and print between Code Crush, and let's say I want to add exclamation also. Save this, refresh. So see, welcome to Code Crush. So it is highlighted. So the part so the content which we have provided in the mark tag is being highlighted. Another tag is so inserted and delete. So let's first take the delete tag. Let's have paragraph. Here I want to write hello all, myself John. So what I need to do, I want to delete this text myself. So how can I perform this? You need to introduce the tag. Let's say tail tag. So I want to copy this text which I want to delete. Control X, Control V, save this, refresh the browser. So see, the content which we have provided in the delete tag is being, it is not deleted actually, it is just we want to ignore this text, like the line is being printed here on myself. And so this was the use of delete tag. And instead, and the last tag which we want to cover in this video is insert tag. So let's consider a scenario in which you want to delete this particular text and say I don't want myself, I want to print like hello all, my name is John. So instead of myself we have deleted this and we will insert that tag ins. So ins, my name is. Let's save this and refresh the browser. So see, this is the paragraph tag content hello all, and here we have used the delete tag content, and here we have the insert tag content my name is, and the John tag is of the paragraph tag. So all this is being printed here. So these all tags are useful for the text formatting. According to your requirement you can use this tag. So that's it for this video. We will be covering next topic in another videos. Thank you.